In this demo, we will see how we can leverage the SQL tool to create custom update queries. Inside Service Studio, we have here a module already created and a server action, where we will add our SQL tool. If we look at the Data tab, we already have some entities created. The product entity is the one we will be using, so let's get started. To write our own SQL, we first need to add the SQL tool to a flow. Double-click it to open the SQL editor. Let's start by writing our query. This is a simple query to perform a bulk update of the products. This query will allow us to update the VAT value from one value, the old VAT, to a new value, the new VAT. Let's add the two query parameters that we need. Although this is not a select query, we still have to define an output structure or entity. Right-click the Output Entities or Structures folder and select the product entity, the one we are inserting data into. Before testing, let's set the test values in the Test Inputs tab. For each of the query parameters, let's set a value. Finally, test the query. Since this is an update query, no results are returned. Another important aspect is that OutSystems has a built-in mechanism to abort the changes during the test. This means that no data was actually changed during the test. The final step to use this SQL query in your code would be to set the query parameters values for runtime in the Properties pane of the SQL tool.